So I got a comment on my recent video, one of my recent videos, and I wanted to address that comment because I feel like I might be misleading you guys. Like, I don't know, I hope I'm not, but I wanted to address this comment just to clear things up in case you're confused like this person was. This wasn't on a recent video. This was on a video I made back in June talking about Poshmark, telling you guys how I made $4,000 in 1 month. The comment reads, so if you take 4 hours to reduce your prices and you make a handful of sales, when you take into account that time, plus the time you originally took to list it, plus the time it takes to upload photographs in the only format they take, plus the time, space it would take to keep, let alone track your inventory, plus the cost of the item itself, plus the time it would take to source the item, then take out their commission, how is that a profitable business plan? You had 1 month where you made a lot of sales. What part of that is actually profit? It sounds more like you're just promote Poshmark. I sell on there too. I sell on there to literally clean out my closet. It would be extremely difficult to make a living doing this. And that would be only if you got the major part of your household income, including things like health insurance, from another source. You can have fun selling things on Poshmark, but so unlikely it would lead to a career. I just think people need to have a true picture before getting overexcited by videos such as this. Life isn't just about exclamation points. Okay, let's talk about that comment. Where do I want to start? So first off, like all the things she mentioned in the beginning, like, hello, welcome to being self-employed. You need to know how to utilize your time. Number one thing. And self-employment isn't for everyone. And being self-employed is not easy. Selling on Poshmark is not easy. Is it possible to make a career selling on Poshmark? Yes, 100% it is. So for this person to say it's highly unlikely, that's not true at all. Okay, so let's break down what they're saying. So when you take time, yeah, I know, talking about uploading photos, plus the time, space, tracking your inventory, again, that's all stuff you prioritize during your day. That's part of your day as a reseller. Like you know, listing, tracking your inventory, going out sourcing, that's all part of your day as a reseller. How is that a profitable business plan? Because you prioritize shit. Like, what? I don't understand why that's a hard concept to grasp. Many things that go into selling on Poshmark, and I've gone into those things in many of those videos. Maybe this person only saw that one video. I mean, I'm assuming they did because of the things that they said. But again, you have to prioritize shit. This part kind of pissed me off. It sounds like you're just promoting Poshmark. Okay, so first off, all of my videos I do that are sponsored, I disclose. I'm never shady like some people are. That video was not sponsored. If it was sponsored, I would have said it in the video and it would be in the description box. That video was not sponsored. So clearly this person only watched that video and then totally judged me by that video, I guess. It would be extremely difficult to make a living doing this, and that would only be, if you got the major part of your household income, including things like health insurance, from another source. Okay, yeah, when you're self-employed, you do need to get your health insurance from another source. Again, self-employed. Does this person not know what being self-employed is? Like, I feel like they don't. I feel like they work like a 9-to-5 job. They get benefits and shit through their company that they work for. You can have fun selling things on Poshmark, but so unlikely it would lead to a career. Again, this person said that they just sell things from their own closet, so clearly they haven't put in the time or effort to try to make it a career. So they can't say that they think it can't be a career. I will link a bunch of other Poshmark sellers down below, people that have made it a career. One person that comes to mind is Empty Hanger. She did an interview, I think with the App Store, with the Apple App Store, and she makes like $250,000 a year. But that's not a career, right? And then she says, I just think people need to have a true picture before getting excited by videos such as this. So I really think that she only watched that one video and then commented, because I know in other videos, I've told you guys, like, it's a lot of work. I have never once claimed that Poshmark is so easy, you can just list things in your closet and you'll be able to make so much money. I've never once said that. I have told you guys it is hard work. If anyone else feels the same way as this person, please comment down below and let me know what led you to think that Poshmark was easy? Like, what did I say or do to make you think that Poshmark was like easy to do? Or Poshmark is very easy to use. Let's hold on, back up. Poshmark is a very simple app, easy to use, easy to list things, easy to ship things. It's not easy to make a good living on there, and I've said that before. I don't know, I really hope that she was like the only person that felt this way. Even in that video, I don't feel like I made it seem like it was super easy to be successful on Poshmark, because I told you guys exactly what I did, and it was a lot of hard work. So I don't know, I guess my main reason for making this video is that I want it to be clear to you guys that Poshmark is not easy, but there is the chance to be successful if you work hard. You can list something in your closet very easily, you can ship it out very easily, but as far as being successful and making money on Poshmark, it's not easy. There's a lot of things to take into consideration. You have to know how to prioritize your time. You're your own boss, you make your own hours, and some people aren't good at that. Like, being self-employed is not good for everyone. Some people thrive on, you know, working for like a regular company, going to work 9 to 5, having a schedule, having a set paycheck. Like, a lot of people actually thrive on that type of lifestyle. Being self-employed is not for everyone. I don't know, this comment just kind of got to me, and I'm like, wait. If one person thinks that, there must be a couple of people that think that. So I just wanted to make this video to set that straight, to let you guys know Poshmark is not easy, but it is possible to be successful on there. It is possible to make it a career. All right, I'm going to be having more Poshmark videos coming soon. I'm also going to be doing another Q&A because I've gotten a lot of questions. I always get a lot of questions from you guys. So yeah, I'm going to be doing that video soon. If you have any questions about Poshmark or reselling in general, or like the self-employed life, you can comment down below and I will answer them in my next video, or you can send me a DM on Instagram or tweet me. But yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.